we're gonna try 2 more juices that we haven't tried before.
Strawberry Fields. Strawberry, apple, grapes, lemon, mint, and rose water. It's always funner drinking juices out of a wine glass just because it makes it that much more special. It's tart.
It's like lemonade.
Yeah, it's like a pink lemonade.
It's a little less sweet than lemonade. It definitely tastes very close to a pink
Yeah, it's
lemonade.
kind of nice that it's not so sweet. This is the Stella cucumber, granny apple, spinach, celery, kale, lemon, and lime. A little sweetness to it.
Celery makes my tongue numb.
You want to try any?
Very lemony.
Mm-hmm.
We tried the 2 lemon ones today.
So tell me about these muffins. Where'd you get them?
Product Expo. They were giving out cookies and muffins made with einkorn flour. Orange cranberry.
So there's 2 muffins in each bag, which is really cute.
Like luck.
All right, let's grab a muffin. You gonna throw it?
And this time it's like, it's the texture of like cornmeal.
It's pretty dense. This could be a whole meal. It's very filling.
It's very filling, like whole wheat. So it's got honey. It's just about the perfect balance of sweet.
So you can see how it cuts. It's really, really dense.
It's almost like a pumpkin bar.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a
it's almost like a bar rather than a muffin, I think. This one's really good. I really like this one.
This one had coconut sugar. I like pumpkin.
I would eat more of that one than I would the other one.
We are heading to Farm Day at convention.
All right, so we've made it to the farm and I think we're heading in. I hope I'm looking at the camera. I can't see a thing in the sun, but it's beautiful out here. I'm gonna do some videos and check out the lavender and have fun. Yep.
We also got Ningxia slushies, lavender ice cream, and lavender lemonade, plus 2 little Ningxia packets at the farm. Most of our time at the farm we spent interviewing people.
This is first class service right here.
Heading to the end party! So exciting!
Thanks. I'd like to invite up. Here we go. To say that in every we have a lighthouse now.
We got to see Cirque Montage, a retired Cirque du Soleil troupe, at the closing ceremony.
Good evening, everyone.
So that was last day of convention. We always have so much fun talking to people and trying new things. It's always so amazing to go to a convention and so much fun. You get to talk to new people, you get to meet the people behind the new products and behind the scenes, and you get to learn things you wouldn't normally know about products or why they were invented or what inspired them. So it's a wonderfully valuable opportunity to just go and experience a different side of Young Living that you haven't seen before. We are in about a week going to put up the videos with this box and the teen interviews. That'll be up in about a week, and yeah, keep an eye out for that. We will continue vlogging through the rest of convention, so we'll have another vlog up tomorrow, and we'll see you then.